In 1796, at the height of the French Revolutionary Wars, a young French general took charge of a tattered and demoralized army in northern Italy. Many doubted his success, but within 1 month, he managed to win his first brilliant campaign. With extraordinary confidence, courage, and energy, he led his troops to victory after victory, changing the face of the war in Europe and winning the praise of a grateful republic. This is the story of Napoleon Bonaparte's first campaign, marking the beginning of a new era in 1792, in which Europe was plunged into revolutionary conflict. Initially, the fledgling republic appeared to be bowing to its neighbors. However, with mass mobilization, patriotic fervor, and traditional military strength, France managed to survive. In 1795, France occupied the Low Countries, but still faced challenges from a powerful coalition of enemies, including the Austrian Empire, the Kingdom of Piedmont, Sardinia, Naples, and Great Britain, as well as a counter-revolutionary rebellion in the Vendée region of western France. In Paris, the extreme revolutionaries had been ousted, and the Directory, a more moderate committee of 5, ruled with a reputation for corruption and inefficiency. In 1796, they planned a major offensive to drive Austria from the war. Napoleon Bonaparte was appointed as the new commander on March 2, 1796. With an initially poor army, Napoleon turned into a brilliant leader, organizing his troops with discipline and proving his worth in battle. In his first campaign, Napoleon was faced with an unbalanced Piedmontese army. Although his army lacked money and supplies, Napoleon managed to prove his tactical superiority. With victories at Montagnat, Dago, and other battles, Napoleon succeeded in driving Austria and its allies from northern Italy. However, the journey is not always smooth. Napoleon had to face challenges, including Austrian counterattacks and his troops' difficulty in maintaining discipline. Nonetheless, his success brought Napoleon and his army to Milan, where they were welcomed as heroes. After achieving victory at Lodi, Napoleon led his troops into the city of Milan, marking the end of his first campaign. With shrewd strategy and decisive leadership, Napoleon changed the fate of France and began a series of victories that would shape its military and political legend.